Hello everyone, welcome to All About IELTS powered by Saviour Education Abroad. In IELTS Listening, you might also get a flowchart completion question type. So, flowchart completion question कैसे दिखता है? On your screen आप देख सकते हो. Usually जो है flowchart में sentences दिए होते हैं with blanks and it is marked with arrows. तो ये एक प्रोसेस होता है, किसी भी चीज़ का बताया जाता है तो वो ऑर्डर में होता है, सो इट इज़ मार्क्ड बाय एरोज. अब हमने यहाँ पे क्या करना है, कैसे अटेम्प्ट करना है इस क्वेश्चन टाइप को. Sometimes you will be given an option box over here जिसमें options दिए गए होते हैं and you have to choose from the option box and write it in the blanks. Otherwise ये भी हो सकता है कि कई बार you will have to hear the exact word in the recording and note down that word in the blank. So before attempting, be careful about whether you have to choose options from the box or you need to listen to the words in the recording. So before attempting this question आपने क्या करना है, start कैसे करना है. When the time is given for you to read the questions, तब आपने read the questions. उससे पहले आप हेडिंग पढ़ोगे फ्लो चार्ट की, क्वेश्चंस को रीड करो, कीवर्ड्स मार्क करो एंड बी श्योर अबाउट द नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स अलाउड टू राइट ओवर हियर. ठीक है, ये बहुत जरूरी है. वर्ड लिमिट. लिसन फॉर वेरियस सीक्वेंस वर्ड्स ओवर हियर सच एज फर्स्ट, देन, आफ्टर दैट. दिस विल हेल्प यू टू हैव अ स्मूथ प्रोग्रेशन इन आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चंस. And then one more important thing, keep looking at the words before the blank and after the blanks. So this will also help you find out the correct answer. Now let's see an example. The flowchart question has been given on the screen. Listen to the recording and try to find out the answer.
You will hear two psychology students called Luke and Susie discussing their assignment on sleep and dreams. First, you have some time to look. Now listen and answer questions 25.
So, shall we plan what we have to do for this assignment?
Okay.
First, we have to decide on our research question. So, how about, is there a relationship between hours of sleep and number of dreams?
Okay. Then we need to think about who we'll do the study on. About 12 people?
Right. And shall we use other psychology students?
Let's use people from a different department. What about history?
Yes, they might have interesting dreams.
Now let's see what the answer is. Is it history, psychology or literature? So yes, the correct answer over here is history because both the speakers agree with this. So the answer is history. So keep practicing these questions so that you get better at the questions by solving them again and again and score good in IELTS listening. Keep watching our videos for more updates. Until then, happy learning.